restaurant, Michael asked Kitty to come back.
Who are you asking back, Michael? Or these?
Come on back. I want the whole gang, okay? Please? Kitty? I'm trying really hard here, you know? Can you just make believe that none of this ever happened? Just start fresh.
Michael, of course I'll come back. I never asked because we both know that you can't fire people.
I'm hiring you back.
We don't have authority over you. We have nachos here.
You know what, Kitty? Why don't we forget it? Because I've been trying to be very, very generous to you, and you don't respect me. So I'm firing you, okay? You are fired.